If you're a small creator watching this now, this is my honest advice to you. Stop creating. Hold on, don't worry. Hold on. I'm going to explain to you why in just a few minutes, okay? So let's even start with this. Why are you creating in the first place? To go viral, to get monetized, to get views, to get subscribers? I'm sure that all of the above is the answer. And that is the exact reason why you need to stop creating. Okay? Because if this is your purpose for creating, then you've only set yourself to fail from the beginning. Now, listen, hold on. I'm going to explain this to you in details. Okay? So, the thing is, if this is the reason why you are creating in this platform, then I'm going to tell you right now that you need to stop creating this instant. Okay? What you need to do is to take a break, a 48 hours break. Just quit creating for now and take a 48-hour break and go back to your drawing board to reflect. Some of you are getting it wrong, and that is exactly the reason why I am making this video. I was in that same space. I was in that same place where I was creating for the purpose of monetizing. I put myself under pressure and all of that, but I was getting it all wrong. I wish the things I'm going to share to you in this video, the advice I'm going to share with you in this video, are things that I actually wish that someone told me before I started my YouTube channel. So I'm giving you guys blueprints. So you need to go back to your drawing board. Don't worry. All you need to do is to take a break of 2 days, 24 hours, and go back to your drawing board. Okay. All right. Hi, welcome to the small channel zone. My name is Gochi. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome to join my community. Okay, subscribe to this channel because trust me, there's a lot that I have to give. I share tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel, tips on how you can make good content for your channel, and I share tips to keep you abreast of the trends in YouTube. All right. Okay, so let's go straight into this video without wasting much time. So as I was saying, you need to stop creating, take a break, because creating with the aim of monetizing, going viral, getting views, subscribers can only set you up for failure from the onset. Remember, you are a small creator, you're a small YouTuber. You need time. You need time to grow. Do not compare yourself with big YouTubers. They actually spend a lot of time on YouTube before they got to where they are. These are the things that you need to like actually remind yourself. Okay, so now without wasting time, I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can start over to start creating. Trust me, this is something that I started doing in this month of January 2025, and so far it's been so good. Trust me. Okay, so the first thing here is that you need to create with a sense of purpose. Instead of creating with the aim to go viral or to monetize or to get views and subscribers, create with a sense of purpose, meaning create to impact, create to make impact. And this is applicable to all niches, whether entertaining or educative. It is attainable, it is achievable. So create to impact. If for instance you are a vlogger, do you know that you can impact in the lives of your viewers with your vlog? By sharing with your viewers the moral standards that you practice with your family, with your friends, people would learn. Do you understand? Your routinal lifestyle, people will learn from your routine, things like that. So create with the purpose of impacting in people's life and not necessarily creating to, for your own benefits. Do you get? Yeah, so that way people find your vlog not only entertaining but also educating, and you find that people just want to, they want to follow up your lifestyle. They want to, like, they find your vlogging channel as a place where they can learn, where they can relax. Do you get? So create to impact. Yes. And if you're an educating channel, ensure to impact. How do you do that? By not doing copy and paste. I see a lot of, YouTube helping channels on this platform. A lot of people just do copy and paste. They don't even try to, like, at least tweak their own topics or do their tutoring style a bit. They just come and say exactly the same thing. You can, yes. I mean, once you make a research, the knowledge is out there for everybody, right? But then your styling, the way you present is your own style, with your own style and personality. That's what makes you different from every other person. Don't go and just copy one person's blueprints and just paste it. Impact by making by not doing copy and paste. I don't know if that makes any sense. Now, the second thing is stop creating for the purpose of going viral overnight. Now, as beautiful as it sounds, trust me, you don't even want that to happen too fast. You know why? Because it doesn't set us up for sustainability and for growth. The reason is virality can be short lived. If, for instance, you create a video that went viral in a very short period of time, the chances that is that people who love that video might not come back to watch your next video because they will expect you to create more videos like that. And most of them don't even subscribe to your channel. They just give it a like and give it the views and they are gone. And even if they subscribe, they turn out to be bots because it was just that one time video that lured them to your channel that they watched. They probably don't like any other video that you've created. Okay, so because this is happening in a short period of time, they know that your channel is fresh and new, so they're not even interested in any other thing that you need to post. They join the line of people that were being channeled to your video at that point in time, and they just wanted to be part of it, and that was it. So going viral in a short period of time is can actually set you up for failure in no time, as against setting you up for success. So do not create videos with the purpose of going viral overnight because it has its downside to it. Another reason is because people love that viral video so much, you are now under pressure to create more videos like that. Now you're not creating videos that are not the type of video that you like to create, but because people love the one viral video, you now have to be creating videos like that, and you now put yourself under pressure. And the day you just deviate from that, it all goes away. They all disappear, and then that takes you back to level zero. Okay, now the third reason why you shouldn't aim for going creating videos to make you go viral is that it becomes confusing for you to actually build a structure for yourself financially and business wise, because all of that popularity came too soon before you could even get ready for it. And so when people reach out to you for business deal, for collaboration and all of that, you are confused because you do not have a structure in place already. You don't even know how to set up your rate cards. So that's why it's not quite good for you to go viral too soon. You need to take your time, okay, so that you plan yourself ahead. So the bottom line is it is okay for you not to blow up at once, okay. It's better to grow slow and steady. It is better for you to be able to create content that you are passionate about, make videos that you feel very okay to create, and gain and build your growth, your subscribers and your followers little by little, slowly but steady. So that steady growth is what determines your longevity in your career as a content creator. All right, so the tip I'm going to share on how you can start creating all over again is this: stop creating for views, create for value instead. I know how it can be, right? Like I said, everything I'm talking about or everything that you small creators are going through is relatable. I can relate to it because I'm also a small creator, and I know that I know the struggles that I've gone through. Trust me, when I create videos and every time in the next 1 hour, in the next 2 hours, I'm going to check for views. I'm in YouTube studio, on my channel page checking for views, and the views are not growing, and the thing is just frustrating me. This was me as at the month of November, December last year. But when I started this year, when I resumed this year, one of the things I told myself is that I'm not going to do that view thing. I will just post my video and leave them. Don't put yourself under pressure. I told myself that I'm going to create videos that have value. As long as they are videos of value, I just create it, and I find joy in what I have created, and that alone just makes me happy. So what I'm doing now is to take my time to make sure that I make quality videos, and then after editing, and how, I don't know if you know this Bible, you know, this Bible song during for kids, back then when we were kids. God made the world, He put the sun and the stars in the sky, and then that part that said, and when He was done, He smiled at His work. He has done what no other could, for he knew it was all very good. So that's how I feel every time I do a good job and I go and I watch my videos. Me just going back to my channel and just click on my videos and just watch them, it gives me joy. I know that even if it's not gaining the traction I should get now, those are evergreen videos that people would see in the future. I tell my friends, I'm like, my videos are not for now, they are for my future fans, my future followers. So this is the mindset that I have, and it's the mindset I want you to have. Create for value and not for views. I know how it can be, but trust me, the moment you take your mind off views and focus on making valuable contents, that's the beginning of your growth. Trust me. So the best way to stop obsessing over views is to be passionate about your creativity. Make your quality video and be proud. Be proud of your job. Pat yourself on the chest, on the back, and tell yourself, well done, you did a good job. Be your own motivator. All right, so now the final tip I'm going to share with you on how you can start creating again is this: let money be your last motivation as a creator. Instead, focus on the fun and joy of the process of creating and the personal growth and development that you get during the process of creating. Yes, because whether or not you make money from it, starting a YouTube channel will make something of you. Trust me, it will definitely make something of you. I'm speaking from experience. Just the fact that you decided to, like, put yourself out there on the internet is a big step, because there's a lot to it, with all the things that your family, your friends, many of them will be against this. You think about all of that, all of the hate comments that's going to come to you, you coming out there with your imperfection. There's definitely going to be people who drop hate comments. There's definitely going to be trolls. So you overcoming all of these obstacles, all of these, emotional triggers, and you still put yourself out there. You still to take the risk to put yourself out there. Trust me, that is something. That is the beginning of your success on YouTube. So that alone is something. Do you get? So focus on what YouTube is going to make out of you instead of focusing on the money. Away from that, there are other technical skills that you're going to acquire in the process. Developing yourself, like cinematography, learning how to set up your lighting, set up the camera, all of those settings, use a camera, learning how to edit. All of these are additional skills you never thought you were going to get. So that is you building yourself in the end, at the end of the day. And guess what? When you focus on this, you're actually having fun learning. So as you channel your focus on these things, you find out that you start to grow. You start to grow yourself and grow your channel based on passion, fun, basically. And that now is now what will now attract money to you. So this time around, the money comes to you, not you going for the money, not you aiming for the money, but the money comes right to you while you're having fun doing what you do. All right, guys, so that's the 4 tips I'll be sharing with you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Now you know how you can start to create for your channel and not the way you were creating before as a small channel. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Share it with somebody who would need it. And check out the video on my screen right now and see if it can give you any new tips to help grow your channel. All right, small channels, I wish you all success in your channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.